Hello, with this video I would like to show you how easy it is to manage and design cabinets with drawers. You know better than I do that this requires a lot of skillful drillings. Therefore I'm going to start with dropping and drag and dropping a tandem box from my virtual library with a depth of 400 millimeters. I wish to have 3 of them. I would like to offset the first drawer upwards of 15 millimeters, and of course I need to manage the overlap of the front around the laterals to avoid collision with the bottom part of my cabinet. Great, this is already done. You can watch by yourself, and now I'm going to proceed further with the setting of a few drawers in the central element of my cabinet, but this time I want them to be different from each other, so it means I have to work one by one. I select here, for example, as for the first cabinet, a tandem box of 500 millimeter depth. I set it to 1, and I choose to check the height value to 222 millimeters. And I have to adapt and edit the overlap values. And okay, my first drawer is already in place. I drag and drop a second drawer just above the first one, and this time I'm keeping working with a tandem box, but I would like to have a height of 180 millimeter. I can keep my values for the overlaps, and yeah, okay, I can see by myself, I'm gonna have a problem to set up my third drawer. So it's not a problem actually. I just get back to the add-on properties of my cabinet. I select the shelf here, and I just modify its Z value. And what is fantastic is because we are fully parametric, all the drawers have been updated, and now I have enough space to set my third drawer above the first two on my central element. And this time the height of the front is automatically computed. I proceed now even further on the third element of my cabinet. I'm just going to have a single, to have 4 drawers, sorry. I keep working with tandem box. I like very much tandem box. And don't forget to offset upwards the first drawer to avoid collision with the bottom part of my cabinet and manage and edit the overlaps. And that's it. Okay, next I want to set a door on the left side of my cabinet. So I grab the place door wizard, and now again with a very user-friendly manner I can manage the placement of my door. Just want one door. I manage the overlaps again. That's very important. And I validate actually my door. You can notice that through the add-on properties I have again a problem with a shelf. The shelf is too high, and I'm going to lower the shelf in order to make some place and space to set up another door, for example, on top of my cabinet. These are the drillings that were necessary for the dowels, but they will disappear later after computing the final project for the exportation to the CAM system. On the top element I'm going to set again a drawer. That's bizarre, but that's just for the fun of this video. And I set up to 1, of course, the depth to 350. And again I must take care about the first offset for the first drawer, again to avoid collision with the part underneath. And this is done actually. Okay, now I need to put some hinges on my door, so I drag and drop the place hardware function, and with the very user-friendly wizard here, I select my clip-top hinge, and I just validate I can keep my current parameters. Everything seems to be fine. Oh no, actually I have a problem here on the back. Actually the four drawers here are not properly fitted. Well, it's absolutely not a catastrophe. Just take it easy. We just select the drawers, add on properties. I choose another kind of tandem box, and I edit the depths of the four drawers, and it is automatically updated. Okay, my project is over. It's about time to start the production. I'm going to export this project to QCAM, and this is my CAM interface. I have loaded the directory with all the parts, and I can browse the directory and check every part if I wish. You can notice the presence of drillings, grooving, and so on. I start the execution. Now there's a translation of the geometries to a compatible program for my CNC machine, which is in this case a Rover BS, a 3-axis machine running with a post-processor BSWorks. And here, for example, I have the drillings on my front of my drawer. Thank you for your attention.